I don't bark at the other one. Just like that one, because that's the kind of bird you run to in the dog park, no? In a dog park? The magpie? You remember? Such a smart doggy. You remember? That's what I thought. Because when we go to the dog park, there's a lot of magpie, no, and even crows. So when he saw that long, like at the back, there's like long tape. I don't know how to say what's that called, but looks like a magpie. He doesn't bark at these little birds. So you're such a smart doggy, Otis. Okay, let's wait. Maybe there's another one will come. He's waiting actually. He's waiting. Oh, look at he's looking. He doesn't bark at these birds. We'll see. Because this we haven't watched this, so I don't know if it will show up. Are you waiting? Otis is waiting? Buddy? Okay. There's a squirrel. But then he is a good boy now because he doesn't bark at this. I trained him about not barking and just watch the squirrel eat. Good job, buddy. You're such a good boy. Yeah, because I told him about it a few days ago. Maybe this is the third time. I kind of know. I know. He's actually, I know, not barking. But there's like a body movement that he was about to do the barking, but then I'm just rubbing his head and then tell him good job, or like, you know, telling him that he's doing good, not barking at that, but looking at the squirrel. But we're waiting for that bird, the big bird, the magpie. Oh, we're waiting. It's been 2 minutes now. Still not showing.